Don't do it. I don't. I hope I'm recording though. वरना इतना ब्लावर करने का फायदा क्या है भाई? I just had some good idli and dosa. नहीं भाई, इतना नहीं खाता मैं. फिगर में ही तो मेंटेन करना है. देखो, I understand if you cannot afford. I love it, I love it. अगर मेरी बाइक पे कोई ऐसे यार, you see, I have realized कि फ़ायदा नहीं है इतना रोड रीच मचा के या गुस्सा गुस्सा करके लाइफ में. कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होता, पता है, कोई भी फ़ायदा नहीं होता. क्योंकि एक मेरे समझाने से ना वो समझेगा ना वो सुधरेगा. तो इट इज़ बेटर कि आप ना उसकी बात सुनो ना किसी और की, अपना काम करो और निकलो चुपचाप. और ये एक और
मैं तो नहीं हूँ इंसानों में
बीमारी है फ़ोन्स की. मेरी मम्मी बोलती है फ़ोन्स ने ही तो सब कुछ आग ख़राब कर रखा है. और फिर वो खुद ही फ़ोन देखती हैं. बट माई मदर इज़ अ स्वीट पर्सन. यार यू शुड, if you could ever, I would really, love to like share her wisdom. मतलब she is very smart, she is very smart. मतलब she has done things with people with fancy degrees and 110 IQ cannot do it. I mean, whatever the benchmark of the IQ is.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो पहले. हाँ जल्दी करो, मुझे पता है कि आप लोग नहीं करते, वीडियो देखते.
It is recording again. Look at that. सूरज देखो यार, मतलब January and February are not Februarying and Januarying anymore. I mean, look at this temperature, dude. Like, it's way too hot than रेगुलर फरवरी. क्या ही हो रहा है? अब देखो, या तो यहाँ खड़े होके, come on man, I'm not getting wrong side riders. I'm on the wrong side of the road to catch the wrong side riders. Oh, that is a revelation of sorts.
Oh no!
But yeah.
Oh no!
But I don't know. Come on, man. Again, one more couple. I really I'm just so jealous. I feel so jealous. I'm so single. I'm so single that I feel jealous of every couple I see. He's protecting his hair, but he's not protecting his head. Or maybe the handkerchief is his helmet. Ola. Whenever I see Ola, I remember Mr. Ola. Mr. Ola का था रोला. आगे नहीं बोलूँगा. आगे नहीं ना. I hate the proximity in the traffic though. Like I'm really skeptical कि कोई आके ठोक ना दे. जो कि हुआ भी है भाई. You know, it has happened many times. Many times I can't even keep the count of it. Like, you know, they just come, they hit you, they are like, हाँ ब्रेक नहीं लगा. Come on man. Dream. That's good. Oh my god. Do these guys even know the meaning of the quotes that is written on their jerseys and all? Out of curiosity, I'm asking. Like, matlab, I'm very mindful about, you know, what is written on my t-shirts or shirts. Because generally I wear plain clothes only. But, you know, sadgi. I really want to know the system of numbers, you know. How do these guys determine number of vehicle? Like, you know, the last 4 digits. I know like first 3 or 4 numbers are a combination of something. I don't know what particularly, but yeah. it is of some sort, it is some sort of combination of state, district and all. But what about the last four digits? How do these come up with, like, you know, I will number this vehicle, I'm talking about my bike, 2560. How? I mean, is it number? Is it random? Is it a series of numbers? What is it? There are no wrong side riders today also. Come on, man. मेरे पेट पे लात मार दिया यार. मेरे छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं यार. What would they eat? How would I give them the gaming laptop when they will ask for it? E-rickshaws are such nuisance, man. I know they are for the ease of transportation, but man, these guys are like, whenever they feel like, no, they will turn there. Like, Mary Mercy. No, ऐसे नहीं. गोविंदा, आप करो. Mary Mercy. यार, this is a nightmare. Okay, this is not even a. I'm not even kidding anymore. Like, you know, for the sake of camera or something. This is horrible. Like, वो देखो भाई, I'll tell you, you better learn from someone else's mistake. Otherwise, when you make mistakes, it hurts. You lose time, you lose loved ones. Your loved ones are bothered, you are bothered, your life stops all of a sudden. So it's very clear that, you know, be as careful as you can be. Motorcycles are dangerous, so is the world. Like, riding motorcycling is risky, okay? And if you are doing more risky stuff now, you are just see, it is only a matter of time before I get hurt or anybody else get hurt. Okay, it is not like that ki, you know, it is not like that ki, if I am very skilled or if you are top of the world, you know, you are the most skilled rider. Even Rossi or that Honda racer, I forgot his name, that's a Mohawk. He also has, you know, been in accidents on the racetrack itself, which is a very safe environment. So I urge you to be very careful on the road, because there are so many variables, so many variables at the play. Even if you are careful, people will hit you. Somebody can come and hit you. Somebody whose brakes are not working will hit you. Okay? But it is not like that. You should be very careful, should be very careful. You try to wear at least your helmet. That is the least you can wear. Even, you know, oh wow, look at him. Wow, this is a first of all, it is the individual and not the vehicle. First and foremost, let me make this very clear. Neither the KTM nor the R15. I own a R15. But thing is, it is the individual who is riding the vehicle. But you cannot identify the individual by the face of it. That's why you tend to blame the motorcycles. Like what happened in the case of that Porsche driver. Is it the individual who has been named and his name has been, you know, malized? No, it is the Porsche. And now they had to recall the whole batch of the car to fix some braking issue. That guy was like, "Mujhe kyun toda?" That is very sad though, you know. You should be very careful on the road. I mean, the speed limits in India are also ridiculous, but so is our civic sense. Like, देखो, this is the signal, and people generally break it. मतलब they are like, मैं क्यों टेंशन लूँ, अच्छा है मरे ये. And I feed these monkeys some bananas. I occasionally do that. Okay, I don't know how far my home is now. Hunter is a good motorcycle. Hunter is a very good bike. I mean, this is also the road where, you know, people try to do funny stuff. They tend to drive on the other side of the road in order to show off their driving skills. Okay, I'm almost reaching home, and why should I show you where I live? So I will shut the camera off now, and
Please to channel my Sakrapara. Sukrapa. Sikrapais.